Hello. All right, another example. You can see this one is a little bit different. I'm comparing two different rational expressions. So in order to do a sign chart or graph, you got to get it set equal to 0 and have 1, or et cetera, et cetera. So let's just take a look at what we got. All righty, so you can see what's on the screen there. I'm going to show comparing the left side to the right side. We got to do the solving. We eliminate the denominator first. Still have to pay attention to the divide by 0 values. And I'm going to use a sign chart where you do not eliminate the denominator. You have it set equal to 0 and solve it, combining into a single rational expression set equal to 0. All right. Remember, can't divide by 0, so not equal to those. You got to remember that for both of these methods, whichever way you want to do. All right, so comparing left to right, we cross multiply, thereby eliminating the denominator, distribute, combine. It's a quadratic, set equal to 0, always with quadratics. Factor, those are our critical values that are solutions. Remember, if you do it both ways, it's double checking. So needing to use the sign chart, we need to compare it with a 0. We need to compare the rational equation with a 0. So I need to combine them by cross multiplying the minus. So a difference. The compare left to right, we're cross multiplying across the equals, but now we set it equal to 0 and we cross multiply across the minus, like that. Once you have it set equal to 0, you can go ahead and cancel the denominator as long as you have remembered those critical values. I did that first, but at some point you've got to do it. So another quadratic. It's already set equal to 0, factor, and solve. We get the exact same critical values that are solutions to the equation. So we have 4 critical values. And reminder about the negative on that coefficient is important. So compare left to right. So we've got our number lines separated based on the critical values, and you pick a specific value in that interval and plug it into the equation, left side, right side. How do they compare? Like that. And I'm comparing the less than. Remember, you can do whichever one you want and get all 4 of the answers there. So one at a time, you can see the yes, no's that are popping up there. When you've got the decimals and you've got these fractions, just be a little extra careful in how you use your calculator, like that. All right, and then we can do the answers. Remember, when the inequality has the equal bar, some of the critical values, specifically the solutions, have the square bracket. So I like doing all 4 so you can, see the variations on there. You're not going to have all 4. I don't know if I probably said it in class, but there's just 1 on the test, and most homework just has 1, if not all of it. All righty, let's take a look at the sign chart now. So you need those factors. Remember that one factor had a negative coefficient, so account for it. Plug the appropriate values in. Is it positive or negative? I've got the chart right there. And then the exact same answers that you did before. I don't show the graphing here, but you have to do the second technique that I did, set equal to 0 and solve. You don't want to cancel the denominator, though, if you're graphing. That gets you the vertical asymptotes, and the denominator-numerator combo gets you the horizontal asymptote. So if you are graphing it, you don't cancel the denominator ever, like that. Stop. Is it still rolling?